Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Dogecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 4-hour because you're new to the markets or charts. Well, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So this may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. And I like to do this time frame because remember, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And by using the 4-hour time frame, it's going to allow me to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 40 cents? Because as of right now, there is definitely some selling pressure that has shown up. I mean, there's a very clear downwards trend line here. In fact, I'm going to actually get that in there just to illustrate the fact that, selling pressure has definitely shown up over the past, couple of days here in the form of that trend line right there. And yes, you still have that 60-cent resistance up there. But really, before you put any focus on that, 60-cent mark, let's see if the price can even break above there. But point here being is, that's why I would start off by just making sure that the price is still up above 40 cents. Now, if you were answering that question, well, yeah, Clay, the price is still above 40 cents. Okay, well, then that's a good sign of bullishness. The next question would be, okay, but where's the price at relative to that trend line? If you're saying, well, Clay, the price is not only above 40 cents, it's also above that trend line. Well, then at that point, okay, the question goes to, well, where's the price at relative to 60? And if you're saying the price is above 60, well, at that point, that would just be telling you that Dogecoin has all of a sudden had a very big bullish moment. Who knows what would have occurred, but something has launched it and made it a very, very strong movement. Now, if you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually still down below that trend line, but it's still up above the 40-cent mark, well, then at that point, it's just basically still consolidating. Same with up here. If you're saying, well, Clay, the price is above here, but it's still down below 60, essentially that's still just one big overall consolidation. But the problem point becomes if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 40 cents when I'm watching this. At that point, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 35 cents, which is the value of that pink line right there, the very famous and well-known 200-period moving average. And if somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below there, well, then at that point, something very bearish has occurred, and that would just not be a good situation. So keep your eye on these levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.